Sade. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I got this look. This is a light makeup tutorial for whenever you guys go out to eat, on a dinner. You don't have to do no contouring, no lashes, something light. I don't even have on lipstick. This is lip balm. So please, thanks for watching and welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Alrighty guys, so right here is my Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I always use it, it's my favorite. And sorry if I do talk low, it's my voice, I'm sorry. I don't know, I just talk really low at times, especially because I have nosy neighbors. So I'm just putting this under my eye and where all the dark marks is around my mouth and my chin. And a little bit on my cheeks because I do have some dark marks there. Now I'm taking my Dior foundation in the color 5N. Now I'm using my Sephora setting spray. That setting spray is really good compared to others brands, So I'm blending that all in together, and yes, I blend it all in at one time. This is just how I do it. Some people blend out the concealer first and then put on the foundation. Me, I just blend it all together. Depending on how I feel, I don't do it all the time, but majority of the time, I'm gonna blend it all together. Taking a little bit more. Putting that in between the spaces where you don't see the concealer. Flipping the blender over to the pointy side and just blending that all in. And I did not wet it with the setting spray. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and flip that back over after I blend out my under eye. I know right now it's looking kind of crazy, but it's gonna come out beautiful, in my opinion. I think it came out really well.
What we doing?
I typically do not put foundation on my forehead as much. Sometimes you do, you have to so it can blend all together. But necessarily, I really don't put foundation on my forehead. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It depends on how I feel. And I'm not the type to put foundation all the way down my neck. I don't really do that. It's my preference. Just my preference. Alright. Just making sure it's like blended out all the way. Just want it to look subtle and all blended together. And this is, you know, a look for when you want to go out with your girl, go out with your man. You know, something, you know, simple, not too much. So we want it to be well blended in. Because we're not doing contouring or nothing like that. Next, I'm taking my Givenchy Prism. I love this. Like, if you shiny, like, after you put on your foundation, whatever, this automatically mattifies it, and it's, like, great. So what I do is flip it over, take the little thingy out, whatever you do, whatever it's called. Take it out, flip it over, use my brush, and just dip it in there. Because it gives you like 4 different powders, which is absolutely beautiful. I try to do like those little TikTok videos, but that was a little corny. Anyways. And I don't, you know, put too much on because I don't want it like too powdery, but just enough to take out that shine out of the face. But it's still there. The shine is still there, but it looks blended in, shall I say. I absolutely love it. Look at that, look. Yeah. Just making sure. Fixing any hiccups I have made. Next, I'm taking my Cause. Is that how you say it? Cause. I got it from Sephora. It's a brow pencil. I really don't know how to feel about this, but it works okay. I'm in the color. I use the color brown, dark brown, instead of regular black. And I'll put too much, just a little bit. As you can see, it's like really, really not even there, but it's a tiny bit, just a tiny bit, not too much. Because I don't like that like really thick eyebrow look, just something simple. And as you can see, my eyebrows are not twins, but that's fine by me. And now that I am finito, I am setting with that Sephora setting spray. I do spray a lot because I do get like really dry under my makeup. Fanning that out. Last but not least, putting on that Dior, I think is 001 lip balm to complete the look. And it gives you just a little bit of color, which I love. So that's really it, guys. Thank you for listening to my little voiceover. And also, I forgot. I put on mascara. I'm tripping. Look at that. Don't even need lashes. The crazy thing about it is I wear lashes all the time. And I put on mascara on my regular, lashes. And my lashes still look good. Even without lashes. That's crazy. With false lashes. And my mascara I used was the Clinique. Also from Sephora. And I'm also going to put some at the bottom. And I usually don't like to put mascara at the bottom because, I do have allergies and my eyes do get watery. And that's something that sucks because then it smears and it's annoying. But I put a tiny bit at the bottom. And it came out cute. So I hope you guys liked this video and give me any pointers. Deuces. What we doing?